coming out of high school, there was a sense of apathy, kind of disdain for what's going on in the world, and a sense of despair, I guess. I don't know. There's nothing to aspire to because what's out there for us? I think people are just mad. They're angry. They're fed up. I'm angry. I'm angry all the time. I don't even know why I'm so angry all the time. You're mad at the system. You're mad at... What are you mad at? This late stage capitalist hell? Like, you know what I mean? We were exposed to what's going on in the world, whether we wanted to be or not, to some degree. Like, we saw the news more readily because it was on our phones, whatever it may be, even though we weren't maybe constantly talking about it, or we were aware, we know what was going on in the world. Terrorism was on the rise. And the economy was, we always heard, we didn't really feel it, we always heard it was garbage. And I guess at that point it felt, oh, the adults will take care of that for us. It was, it's not our problem to fix at the moment. We are entrusting it on the hands of the older generations. And then the older generations turned on us, in a sense. It felt like it. Millennials are entitled, millennials are this, millennials are that.